Where to find the best sites. Plants and flowers by location. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about facts about rainforest plants. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about facts about rainforest plants is www.nature.org. See the page titled Rainforest's Facts, the Nature Conservancy. This is the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.rain-tre.com, especially the page Rainforest Facts, Rain Tree Nutrition, include. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site 2807199.r.msn.com. The web page Rainforest Plants Animals, about.com. Here's the link.